Muchadei Masunda, former mayor of Harare, strongly condemned the arrest of journalist Blessed Mhlanga, calling it a blatant example of selective justice. Sanavina mashoko tuna kuti aiwa vakomana former mayors aiwa Harare CBD panguva ino vouya panapa vachiti aiwa we are calling for the immediate release aiwa journalist Blessed Mhlanga vachiti aiwa zviri kuitwa nevakomana izvi ndoinonzi selective justice. Kuti panapa vanhu vari selective nono kureceive justice pamwe vese they just suppressed. Sandavina mashikomudanjira panapa kubo subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Tipina panapa mudani komchinsi. Masunda believes Mhlanga was simply doing his job, and his arrest raises concerns about the government's commitment to press freedom. Mhlanga, a journalist with Heart and Soul TV, was denied bail by Harare Magistrate after being charged with inciting violence for publishing interviews with war veteran Blessed Kesa, a vocal critic of President Emmerson Mnangagwa. Masunda, an attorney and commercial arbitrator, questioned whether Geza would face a similar treatment, highlighting the apparent double standard in the application of the law. Masunda's comments come as concerns grow over the erosion of press freedom in Zimbabwe, with many seeing Mhlanga's arrest as a clear attempt to silence critical voices. Thomas Kwambranyo Kapanapa, Never Komana Iowa, the former mayor we are Chita Iowa, is also, as far as you know, Mukomana Mhlanga, Muna and Weto Basaraki as usual. Panapana Chipunza Chiti Ramut Mhlanga ish. Murukunzi, we have located the Kesa. Munomuita with the same Kesa, Shamurukita journalists on Mhlanga up. Machoka Tukuna Pangwa Inoi. People have noted and they have seen kuti aiwa vakomana with the regime, they are just trying to suppress vanhu vanovacriticiza nevanhu vanovaopposa. Mbudze mafungiro enyu mutudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pinda comment section medu dzamafungiro enyu, subscribe or like and turn on the bell icon.